In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Miro mind maps with Notion. Now, in order for us to do this, we will of course have to have a Miro account and of course have to be signed into Miro, as well as Notion account and be signed in into Notion, okay? Now, this process is actually very simple. If we start with the Miro, what we want to do in here is first create a mind map. So I created a very simple mind map in here, and I'm going to embed it inside Notion, or in other words, connect it with Notion. Now, in case you don't know how to make a mind map, I'm going to show you quickly right now. What you want to do inside the Miro board is simply go down here to this More Apps Plus icon and look for a mind map. So you want to type in mind map. There we go. And as you can see, it will pop up. You can then click it, and then it will give you 7 mind maps to choose from. You can choose one you like. For example, this first one, hover over it and click it, and it will create a mind map inside your board. You can then customize it like you want. So let's say I'm gonna type in YouTube for this example, and then type in 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. So if you're interested in how to customize these, I also have a tutorial on my channel. You can check it out or just play around with it yourself because it's very, very easy. Now, once you have this, so once you have your mind map, we're now going to connect it with Notion. And the way you do this is by copying the link up here. So the first step is to copy the link by simply clicking it and then right click and pressing copy. Okay, you can alternatively also hover over it and press Ctrl and C on your keyboard as it says over here. Now, the second step is to go into Notion, and in here we're going to embed this or connect this with Miro, okay? And the way you do this is actually pretty straightforward and very, very simple. You want to do inside one of these Notion's kind of writing lines, what you want to do is press slash, so type slash, and then type Miro, and as you can see, it says embed a Miro board. You want to click it, and this kind of box will pop up, and in here you want to paste the link we just copied. The way you do this is by right-clicking and pressing paste, or simply pressing Ctrl and V on your keyboard. Now, as you can see, it says works with Miro links with public access enabled, so make sure inside Miro, public access is enabled for you. Then you want to click embed Miro, and in a few seconds, Miro will start loading, and as you can see, we now have our mind map over here inside Notion imported successfully from Miro, and whatever you change inside Miro will change in here as well. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.